Hi, Sai. How are you?
Hi Vivian, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, good. Thank you. Congratulations. You did very well. How
Yeah,
do you
thank you,
feel?
Vivian. Sorry, what was the question?
How do you feel?
Uh, I feel actually okay. I thought I will not get
Okay.
my score this time because
Mhm,
uh, in the reading I had a little bit of doubt,
mm,
but somehow I got 79. I don't know.
okay.
Uh,
All
but
right. Mm,
apart from
so
that,
just only the reading part that you are not confident. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. But that's all right. As long as you get your score, that's all matter. All right.
yeah.
Um, yeah, I
And
would
I've checked
say.
my spellings
Mm,
as well. I don't know why it got 43 because after writing everything, I did proofreading like 2 to 3 times, but I
okay.
don't know why I got 43.
Could be because when you make spelling, especially when you make spelling mistake in essay, it will bring your spelling down. Okay. Or you make spelling in all the writing tasks is can be summarize spoken text or summarize written text as well. Okay. But that's all right.
Okay.
It doesn't matter as long as like I mentioned, if your answer is correct, you will get marked for your communicative skill. Okay,
Yep.
so that's
Yep.
very good. I would say, because last time you're quite close to the score, right? But this time you made it, which is perfect. All right.
Yep.
Right now, I just want to know your experience. First of all, after you finish the exam, right? And now you got your score, which is I'm very happy for you.
Yep.
So
Yep.
just share with me your experience in terms of how do you feel about Melbourne PT in terms of helping you to get your score?
Mm, like when I started this course back in June, like I
Mhm,
had little bit of doubts regarding the few tasks in PT because before joining this coaching center, I have already written like 2 times uh, uh, back in India when I
mhm,
that's for my masters.
yep,
So after that, now when I wanted to apply for PR, so then I needed 8 points. So I've researched a lot to join which institute based on the like performance on the institute.
mm,
And so one of my friend referred me to this institute, saying that because he also got like his 8 bands in all of it, and so he referred me to this institute. So then
okay,
I joined it on June.
mhm,
After that, I practiced a lot, and uh, the first attempt I gave was the 10 days back on October 11th, the first score
mhm,
report I sent you. And after that, I was a little bit confident that I would get the score at the time, but even at that time I was not confident in my reading as well.
mhm,
In my but the thing is, uh, in the writing task, in the essay, I have only written like 240 words in the essay. Maybe that's the reason I'm thinking that I got 69 in my last report.
mhm,
Because other
yeah,
than that, I did like pretty much well,
mm.
and I don't know where I lost it. But
So I
after
think
getting the tips from you that where I need to prepare, then I
yeah.
understood like maybe in that area I need to improve a little bit.
Okay, that's great then. Yeah, because from last report, I have a look and I can see that. So these are the topic that you need to work on, right? But you stress
Yeah,
so much about essay, but in terms of essay,
yeah,
even though you could not do well, you still can get good score for your writing. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
and I think your previous exam it was 2 weeks ago. Was that right?
yeah. It's
Yeah.
exactly 10 days ago.
That's
10 days
right.
ago.
I remember.
Mm, yeah, yeah,
So in the short time that you know you can book the next exam and got your score, that's perfect. Okay.
yeah.
So
Like
thank
I
yep.
prepared well, and I felt confident that I can uh, get this time. So I thought to postpone it, but I did it
You just
anyway.
go ahead. That's right.
Yeah.
So when you feel confident, that means you are ready for the exam. Okay.
Yep.
So that's really good, right? Thanks,
And
I for that. And Also, I have another question. Now, in your preparations, do you think in terms of using the Iowa Plus to practice and
Yep.
doing the mock test, how it can help you to prepare for your exam and help you, to be ready for your exam as well? What do you think?
So before coming into the portal, first I'll let you know about the lectures. So before even starting into the practicing the topics, first what I did was like I go through all the lectures and techniques and the methods that both you and Obe told me. Like I watched both of your videos, and then once I understood the correct method and what to do in the exam to get high score, then I started practicing in Iowa. In Iowa, it was pretty helpful because there are pretty much a lot of material that we need to cover to practice. When it comes to repeat sentence, I was little bit not that good in repeat sentence. So what I did was I practiced all 540, I guess.
Oh, wow.
All 540 for like 3 times maybe. I completed all 540 for 3 times, and that definitely helped me because I keep on repeating those practice things. And apart from that, right from dictation as well. Even right from dictation, they have like so many of different like including small and big sentences. But after practicing few sentences, it really helped me to gain confidence and appear for the exam.
That's very good. So Iowa is quite helpful in terms of practicing. I can see that. And also, if you practice on Iowa, you notice that some questions, they are easy. Some of them, they are difficult.
Yes, some of them. So that's why there is also a filter method in that. So I always choose to do the difficult ones with level 3, and then I practiced more on them rather than the easy ones. So that one also helped.
Yeah, because I think I also I recommend you to do the difficult one, because in your exam, that's what you need to handle, right? Easy one, everyone can do it. But the difficult question, when you can manage it, your score will improve. So that's the difference. Okay, that's very good. So first you learn the lecture, you learn the techniques, and then you practice, right? But in terms of practicing, do you think that, for example, because sometimes they also practice a lot, they spend so much time, but at the end, they still could not get their desired score. So what can be the reason? Because for me, when you guys are practicing, do you think the feedback from the trainer, is it helpful for you to know that whether you do well or the way you do it, is it correctly or not? What do you think about the feedback?
The feedback was good actually. Like when I got my previous report, I sent to both you and Obe, and both of you suggested me like where I was lacking in the task. I mean, in which task and how to prepare this task. So, for example, you told me like I need to practice a little bit on reading, fill in the blanks and all. So after you told me that, I practiced a little bit more in Iowa, and I took a consultation with Obe as well, and he told me that I need to. He brushed me up on the repeat sentence actually, because I asked him particularly about that, because I can't, when I try to practice with the first letter words with the method that was in the lecture, I was actually unable to tell it fluently, remember. So the way I practiced it was to remember the entire sentence by myself instead of writing and say it exactly after the sentence ends. So, but the feedback, it really helped, because after getting that feedback only, I didn't concentrate on any other task other than the tasks which were given to me to practice more. So I did those tasks, and then only I got it.
So the feedback pretty much, focus on telling you that what are your weaknesses and how to improve it. Is that right? Okay, that's very good.
Yeah.
Right. So what about the mock test? I think, have you done the mock test?
No, I haven't done the mock test. I was a little bit scared to take the mock test because maybe if I get the less score in mock test, maybe I think
So
I'll
you
lose my
wanna lose
confidence, so
confidence.
I didn't
That's
take it.
right. Okay.
So,
All right, that's good then. So overall, like, do you feel satisfied with our services from Melbourne PT Study Center? Yeah.
yep,
Okay. Really good.
definitely. Yeah.
Right. So thanks, guys, for your feedback, because student feedback is also important for us, because at least we know that, if we have anything we need to improve
Yep.
our services, the way we help the student. But at the end, I'm very happy that you got your score, after you have put so much of effort to work on your target score, prepare for your exam. Okay, so it's a journey, but I would say
Yeah.
it's possible. Okay, it's
Yeah.
possible
It
for
took me like
everyone.
nearly four months.
1 month is fine. Some students they
Yeah.
even take longer. It just
Yeah.
about like first you need to have the correct techniques. Second,
Yep.
you need to practice to know whether the techniques is it working for you or not, because
Yep.
some technique is working, some technique it doesn't work for you. Okay, yeah. And then the feedback and the practice from Iowa and the mock test, so that's how is help you to feel confident before you
Yep.
book your exam and go for it, right? Yeah, that's very good. So please recommend us to your friends, if anyone want to take the PT exam. And yeah, is there anything else that you want to share with me before we finish?
Yeah, I just want to ask you a question. I'll sure recommend it to my friends and people in my circle. The one thing I need to ask you is, like back in my first exam, I got right from dictation 3 of them, but on this exam, I got 4 of them in right from dictation. Like I've written all of them what I heard. In the last right from dictation, I remember the sentence as well. What I did was, the sentence is, the cafeteria features salads, sandwiches. Sorry, the cafeteria
I think
features
it's soup, salad, sandwich.
salads, sandwiches, uh, chicken and fish. So in the exam, I didn't remember like whether the salad came first or sandwich. So I did a little bit guess. So I've written salad first and written sandwiches next. So would that order, if I've written like sandwich first and salad next, would that change any score in part of
The sequence, yes. So the sequence will impact on your writing. Okay. So if it's a wrong sequence for write from dictation, it will impact on your writing score. So that can be the reason why you may miss out the writing last time as well. Was that right?
No, in write from dictation last time also, I'm pretty sure that I got 3 of them, but I didn't mess up any. I've written exactly what I heard.
But
But
this time, I would
that
say
sentence
you did well for fill in the blank reading and writing. So that's how it boosts your reading and writing score a lot this time. Okay. If you see the score is similar, that's how I can be able to know how did you go in your exam. Okay. Yeah. So again, you have done with your PT, so there's nothing for you to feel stressful about it anymore.
Yeah.
Right.
Now I need to focus on my job.
Yes. So it's time for you to celebrate and enjoy it. Okay. And thank you for joining this testimony to discuss about it, because I literally also appreciate students to share their experience, which is help us to improve our services as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Right,
Thank you.
Thank you, and all the best and good luck for your future. Okay, for your PR application. Okay, the hardest part you already done. Okay, this is I would say the hardest part in your PR is already done. So all you need to do is just apply it and wait for it. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, guys. Thank you. All the best and good luck. Okay. I'll see you then. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.